y'all. I'm Rhonda from Rhonda's Country Kitchen, and this is Russell.
Hey, y'all.
Welcome to our kitchen.
Yep. Today we are doing a little something special. We're doing a coffee review again, y'all. Northbound Coffee Roasters has been generous enough to send us another one of their coffees to review.
Yep.
And today they have sent us one of their blended coffees, which we have never tried before, so we're excited to try it. And this is their
Summer Shine.
Yeah, and it's a blend of their Ugandan coffee and their Colombian coffee. And it's a 50-50 blend.
And it's a summer roast. Y'all know we drink light roast.
Yep,
this
and
is
this is a light roast, so they took care of us on that.
Yes, and what I'm excited about is y'all know I've said before he drinks coffee all the time. This man can drink coffee all day long.
Oh yeah. You can put it in my arm, this IV.
Whether it's winter or summertime, but now me, I like a hot coffee in the winter, but listen, when summertime comes, I want some cold coffee. I want to cool off. I don't want to be sitting around with hot coffee all day. So I'm excited about this one because this one you can drink it hot or cold, and so that is exactly what we are going to do to
yeah, we're going to grind it up, and I'm going to have me a hot cup,
and I'm going to do,
and she's going to do her a cold cup,
yes.
And we're going to give it a sample and tell y'all what we think about it. It's the notes on it. It has citrus and floral, and it's supposed to be a very smooth blend that you can drink either hot or cold.
Sounds like sunshine, don't it?
Yeah, it sounds like summertime, y'all. It said you could take it on a road trip or take it hiking or out and about. So it sounds like a good on-the-go type if you're out, doing your summertime activities.
Yeah.
This bag itself goes for $19 a bag.
Right, but not so fast.
Yeah.
Y'all know from our last little review we did that Northbound, once again, was very generous, and they give us a discount. So all of our little subscribers, you can jump in there, honey, and get you a little good deal with 15% off using Rhonda15, Rhonda in all caps. So when you go to order, honey, the little coupon code, Rhonda15, you'll get you a little discount. We all like little discounts, don't we?
Rhonda15 will be in the description. And when you go to checkout, all you have to do is type that in. And it don't have to be this one. You can do any one that you prefer. And that'll, that'll knock some of the cost off. And, yeah.
So we're going to try it. We're all excited. So
yeah, I'm going to grind it up, and we're going to tell y'all what we think about it.
We are. You ready to do this?
I'm ready.
Let's do it. All right, y'all. He's got us all brewed up.
Yeah.
He's got his hot. I got my cold.
Cheers.
Cheers. Tastes pretty good. Tastes like
smooth.
sunshine in a cup.
Very, very, very smooth. Very good. Very similar to what we drink daily almost.
It is.
Yeah.
I do taste the citrusy part.
Yeah, it's
of
got
it,
a little
kinda.
citrus. It does. It does. You could definitely tell the citrus in it. Yeah, it's good. Very very smooth drinking.
Try it cold.
Okay, I'll have
Try
a
it cold. It's really good. That little sun.
Oh yeah,
It's good. Oh yeah.
I may like it better cold.
Yes, it's good.
That's good.
And what pairs better with coffee, y'all?
Oh yeah.
Listen, I made us a little honey bun cake.
She did. Earlier we did a video, and the honey bun cake was the star of it. So we decided to go ahead and shoot the coffee video, because what goes better with honey bun cake than coffee, and what goes better with coffee than honey bun cake?
That's right. Some kind of cake.
Yeah, we're going to have us a little bite.
It's going to be, now yours will probably be really good with that hot coffee. Yummy, yummy.
Still warm.
Still warm, y'all. What? This is some good stuff. It's really good cold. It really is.
I'm telling you, you can't beat that, y'all.
And we have another little surprise for y'all.
We do.
As you can see here, we have 2 bags.
Yep.
We have opened this bag, and we have tried our little summer shine out, but we
delicious.
have another bag that they have sent us.
Yep.
And this is a medium roast.
Mm-hmm.
And it's their house blend, mainline. So guess what?
Yep.
We're going to be giving it to one of our lucky viewers.
That's right.
And all you need to do in the comments is drop in the comments how you drink your coffee. And do you like it cold? Do you like it hot? Do you like it with cream? Do you like it with sugar? Do you like it black?
Yep.
Let us know.
Yep. Do you like espresso? Do you like the frou
like me.
latte, frappe, milkshake?
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever your favorite coffee is, let us know in the comments.
Mine.
And
see how I'm drinking mine. I have a little. He says I have a little coffee with my goodness, but it's
that's
good.
the truth. But that's okay. Well, however you like it, just let us know how you like it, and you'll be entered. And we'll draw a lucky viewer out in a couple of weeks, and we'll send you the bag of coffee. We want to make sure we get it to the people before it stays fresh. By the way, they roast every Wednesday. When you order, they roast your stuff every single Wednesday on a vintage hand roaster. This is handcrafted stuff. I'm telling you, people, it is the freshest coffee in America.
It is fresh, and you can go there to the website and read all about where your beans come from. And I think that
the farm
is
where you get it, where it's sourced from.
Yeah.
I mean, they just go to extra mile. I mean, these people go to extra mile, and you know, it's very impressive. They're very impressive.
And every little bag, which is just adorable little bags, every bag has the expiration or the roasting date.
Yeah, the date it was roasted is on the very bottom of the bag.
Y'all, you don't get that.
And if you ordered it, you know, today's Friday. If you order it today, yours will be shipped. I think it's $5 flat shipping. That's much, you know, what all I've spent. And I buy 5-pound bags, so I know.
Yeah.
Anyway, you know, they ship on the fall. I think they roast on Wednesdays, and yeah, get in there and get you some, y'all. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed.
Rhonda 15.
And get that 15% off.
Get your little discount. Get your discount.
We would like to thank Northbound for working with us, and we appreciate their generosity. And anyway, we're thankful and appreciate them and enjoy supporting their product and their business because they are fantastic.
And we really enjoy sampling and
enjoy trying the new stuff. I mean, this is fantastic.
Yes.
Love it. Thank you very much.
It's good. I'm going to really enjoy it.
Yeah, she definitely will. You can tell already she's looking forward to making her some cold coffee with that.
Yes. Love it. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, for hanging out with us just a little bit. Thank you to Northbound Coffee. And until next time.